Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with all of you daily use English vocabulary. So let's start. Capitalism. Number third words we have a capitalism. Capitalism is an economic and political system in which property is privately owned and goods and services are produced and exchanged for profit. It is characterized by private ownership of the means of production, creation of goods and service for profit, pre-market exchange, competition among business, limited government intervention in economic matters. In a capitalist system, individual and business invest capital, money, resources, and labor to produce goods and services with the goal of earning a profit. The system is often associated with economic growth, innovation, and individual freedom. Use in sentences. The United States is a capitalist country. Capitalism has lifted millions of people out of poverty worldwide. The company's success is a testament to the power of capitalism. Next, we have nationalism. Nationalism is a political ideology that emphasizes the importance of national identity, unity, and sovereignty. It prioritizes the interests of one's own nation, culture, and people above all else. Nationalism can manifest in different forms, including patriotic nationalism, love and devotion to one's country, culture, and history. Number second, ethnic nationalism emphasizes on a shared ethnicity, language, and heritage. Civic nationalism focus on shared citizenship, values, and institution. Nationalism can be both inclusive and exclusive depending on how it is defined and practiced. It can unite people around a shared sense of purpose and identity but also lead to exclusion, xenophobia, and conflict with others' nations. Using sentence, nationalism has been on the rise globally in recent years. Second sentence, the nationalist movement in the country has led to increased tension in neighboring nations. Nationalism can be a powerful force for unity and progress, but also a source of division and conflict.